How to add your address on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your address on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile. Now click complete your profile and now scroll down until you find here until you find address. Here is it. Now just type your address here, street and city, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.